This is the guidance then for the last two parts of the Year 9 Democracy and Dictatorship project. This now then is the hardest part that you're going to undertake. What you're going to have to do is to present the information and the research you've undertaken, but also compare your two countries. With the ability to gather information with the internet today so much easier, the challenge for modern students is about how one should present one's work in a way that engages the audience. You may present your final piece of work in any way you choose. So examples of this might include a poster, a film, an essay, a PowerPoint, a booklet. You can present your project in any way you like, presenting that research that you have undertaken. But what must be included in that presentation is the comparison that you're going to do now. The second part of your work is to compare the two countries, explaining how and why they are different. This is the challenging part of the project, as how and why questions require you to both think and plan. Based upon your research, you will have the information all ready to compare, and here is a checklist of all the things that you have already done your research on. What you now have to do is to write up a comparison between the two countries by working through the questions that are listed here. So for example, why is country X a democracy and why is country Y a dictatorship? What is it about those countries? Why do people in country X live longer than those people in country Y? So thinking about those particular questions. We then have other questions. Why is freedom of speech, or why is the media freer in country X than in country Y? Which country has better treatment for women? Country X treats women better than country Y because. Which country has changed the most over time? Country X has changed more over time than country Y because. All of these questions will force you to compare and really interrogate the research that you've done. This is where this becomes more challenging. Now, all of those questions are ones that you can choose. The more you choose to tackle, the more detail and depth there will be in your analysis. You are more than welcome to write other comparative questions.